This is a short tutorial to show you where to access your Google Drive and Google Docs. This is the dashboard of a Gmail account, and if you come up to the upper right corner, there's a little cube of 9 squares. Click on the cube, and to access your drive, you just click here. Google gives you 15 gig for photos, documents, and other storage for every single Gmail account you have. So make use of it. Okay, so here's your drive. Now to your drive, if you come over to the left, there's a little plus sign in new. Click on plus. You can add a folder. You can upload files. You can add docs, sheets, slides, and more. So let's add a folder. Okay, and there's the folder. You can click on the folder, and to the folder you can add Google Docs or Sheets. So if you have an article that you want to put in here, you can type your article in, paste your article in, get it in here however you wish. You can use these tools up here for editing or modifying. If you want to use the right-click and copy and right-click and paste, then you need to install some additional tools. You can just do Control-C and Control-V and just give your document a name in the upper left corner, and that's it. You don't have to save anything. Actually, let's go back. You can take a little tour, and your document will always be there, and it will be there by the name that you have given it. If you want to share it with others, you can enter a name and an email address. You can get a shareable link, and this little pencil here means that whomever you give this to has the ability to edit the document. You can have view only, or that they can make comments on it, but not edit. So it's up to you. And here's a shareable link, and you decide what they can do with the document in the shareable link. So if you want to use spreadsheets, here is a spreadsheet. And it looks just like an Excel spreadsheet, or you can choose from the templates that are across the top. And here are templates. There are templates in the docs as well. So it's a pretty useful tool, and it's nice that it's free. And here it's create, open, and edit your recent Google Doc files in a device while you're offline. For some reason, this is not available to me. Anyway, so here is where you'll put your Ranking Factory documents. You can create a folder that is just for Ranking Factory and make that folder shareable. We go back to the drive, Ranking Factory. Okay, so we're in the drive. Here's the Ranking Factory file folder, and you right-click on it, and here are things that you can do with that file folder. And you can get a shareable link. Link sharing on. Anyone can view. So for Ranking Factory, you want to share, edit, copy this link. And this is what you will share with the Ranking Factory people who are doing your setup. And hopefully that's made things a bit clearer. And let me know if you have any questions.